In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly save a Photoshop image as a JPEG. If you want a fast and simple way to convert your Photoshop file into a JPEG, this method is incredibly useful. It only takes a few clicks, and once you do it the first time, Photoshop makes the process even faster for future saves. This is especially helpful if you regularly create images in Photoshop and need to export them into a more common format for sharing, uploading, or general use. To begin, open your image in Photoshop. Make sure the file you want to convert is already on screen and ready to save. Once your image is open, press Ctrl, Shift and S on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Save As window, which is where you can choose a new file format and decide where the finished image should be stored. When the Save As window appears, choose the location where you want to save the file. This could be your desktop, a project folder, or any other place that is easy for you to find later. Taking a second to choose the right location can save time when you need to access the JPEG afterward. Next, look for the Format drop-down menu. Click it, and then select JPEG from the list of available file types. This tells Photoshop that you want to save a JPEG version of your image instead of keeping it only in the original Photoshop format. After selecting JPEG, click Save. Photoshop may then show you a JPEG options window. Here, you can adjust the image quality settings if needed. In general, higher quality gives you a better looking image, while lower quality creates a smaller file size. Choose the setting that works best for your needs, then click OK to complete the process. At this point, your image has been saved as a JPEG. One of the best parts of using this method is that Photoshop remembers the JPEG format after you use Save As. That means the next time you want to save another image as a JPEG, you can press Ctrl, Shift and S again, and the process will be even quicker because the format is already set. So if you need a fast way to convert and save your Photoshop file as a JPEG, this is a great shortcut to remember. It is simple, efficient, and perfect for speeding up your workflow.